think my house is possessed. Anyways. Hey y'all, so today I want to share with y'all some super easy and super affordable ways. I want to share with you some super easy and super affordable ways to vamp up and upgrade your closet so you can have some really bold outfits. So bold that you burn people's corneas from a mile away. They're italic, you're in bold. So like basically after this video you're gonna become a fashion icon and you're gonna be Insta famous. So like comment, like, and subscribe. The first step is not going to cost you a single coin. If anything, you can make some coin. And that is to go through your closet and get rid of repetitive pieces. If you have repetitive pieces, you're going to have a very dull, repetitive closet. And listen, I'm about to hurt some of y'all's feelings, okay? Pero like, the truth is, you don't need 10 black t-shirts. Once you get rid of those repetitive pieces, your closet is gonna become automatically more bold with more variety. And to make it even better, you can grab all those repetitive pieces and sell them on apps like Depop or Poshmark. Then you can make some coin to further upgrade your closet. Now a lot of you are probably thinking, boy, I am brokered in a freaking joker, okay? What makes you think I can go on a shopping spree right now? If you don't got the shmoney right now to go all out on an outfit, go all out on some accessories. Beanies, hats, scrunchies, socks, belts, chains, necklaces. You would be very surprised to see how much an outfit can change with a colorful beanie and some colorful socks. You can get accessories pretty much anywhere. And honestly, if you're looking for a good place for accessories, you should check out my Amazon shop. Like, no, but seriously, my Amazon shop has a lot of affordable accessories that I've bought myself. So yeah, if you want, you can like check it out or like whatever. My number one shopping tip is to avoid buying repetitive pieces. If you already have a black t-shirt, don't buy another one if it looks similar to that piece, because that's how you end up adding more repetitive pieces to your closet. Try intentional shopping. When you go to the store, just envision your closet and be like, do I have a piece like this already? Is this different from what I own? And most importantly, do you even like it? I used to buy clothes all the time that I didn't even really like. It wasn't really my style, but I was like, whatever, it's 10 bucks. And that is the exact opposite of intentional shopping. Don't let corporate consumerism pressure you to buy clothes that you don't like, need, or want. You want to buy pieces that are bold, that are different from the rest of the things that you have. Make a list of pieces that you would like to add to your closet. And you can save up to add a new piece to your closet once a month. That way you build up your closet without breaking the bank. And here is an extra bonus tip. Inspiration. I'll put some people right here on the side that I personally follow and I love their outfits and they've inspired me a lot. Instagram is a great place to go and find some inspiration to really grow in your style. Alrighty y'all, so those are my 3 easy and affordable ways to vamp up your closet and make your outfits more bold so you can be more confident. Comment down below any tips and tricks that you have or any fashion trends that you're really liking right now. And of course, let me know what else you would like to see on this channel. Comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I hope that you have a great day. Bye!